It's an absolute state, and just quite frankly, it's an embarrassment. So I need to give myself a royal kick up the bum and get it sorted. Hey there, it's Tom here, and I'm coming on here to do the video just as a bit of an open chat about my plans for the channel, really. The first protocol is my workshop. I'll insert a little clip here to show you the state of my workshop. Yeah, it's become a dumping ground, an absolute dumping ground. My other business is I sell books for a living, so a lot of the stuff there is just stuff from that's just been dumped and dumped and dumped and dumped. And then I share a workshop with two other guys and a woman, and one of them's got a CNC machine, and it just kicks out so much dust. It goes absolutely everywhere and just covers all the surfaces. So my main problem is that everything is coated by really, really fine MDF dust over absolutely everything. So I'm going to have to get overalls on, proper mask, the whole works. I've got like a trend thing that goes around my face, and then just go for it and get a skip and get it gone. So I'm going to try and document it. And hopefully that's interesting, because I'm a dad and I wanted my son's getting to the age where he's interested in making stuff, and there's only so much doing it in the garden when I've got a blinking workshop. So I need to clear some space for that, and it's urgent, because I want to make some projects with him, and I want to make some projects for you lot as well, because I want to get back turning on the lathe, making bits out of reclaimed materials, doing work with plastic again, and not just staring at this pile of crap that's accumulated, because there's some really nice bits of furniture in amongst that, which I'm hoping to sort of do up, or even just flog on, and use that money to reinvest in some different tools and whatnot. So bear with me. I will try and document it, and any tips I would greatly appreciate, without judgment. I'm a bit of a hoarder. I'm a massive wood hoarder, so you will probably see that. But I want to make some cool crap out of the stuff that I've got, because you can't take it with you, can you? So yeah, that's my plan anyway. Hope you can stick around for it. And if I would greatly appreciate a subscription if you don't mind, and smash that like button. And I'll try and pop a video up here of my last murmurings of what I was planning on doing. See you later.